You know that feeling when you see someone online say, I made $5,000 this month with my side hustle, and your first thought is, cool, I have exactly $47 in my checking account until payday. It's almost like every extra income idea begins with, first buy this expensive course, or invest $2,000 in equipment. But what if the biggest thing stopping you isn't your bank balance? It's what you think a side hustle is supposed to look like? A lot of us quietly believe one simple idea: you need money to make money. It sounds logical. If someone sells custom furniture, they probably bought expensive tools. If someone runs an online business, they probably spent thousands on ads. If someone makes money creating videos, they must own a camera that costs more than your monthly rent. So we wait. We tell ourselves we'll start after we save $500. Then it becomes $1,000. Then maybe next year. The funny part? Most successful side hustles didn't begin looking successful. They started embarrassingly small. A cheap microphone, a secondhand laptop, a free website. Sometimes just a phone and an internet connection. The goal isn't to build a business that looks impressive. The goal is to create something that earns its first dollar. Because once money starts coming in, even slowly, growth becomes much easier. Instead of asking, what business can I build with thousands? A better question is, what can I start with less than $100 that someone would actually pay for? Turns out, quite a lot. Let's look at 5 realistic side hustles that don't require draining your savings. Point 1. Digital services. Think simple skills. Basic graphic design, simple video editing, writing product descriptions, creating social media posts. You don't need a fancy office. You probably already own the most expensive tool you'll need: a computer. Maybe you spend $20 on a design template or $30 for a basic editing app. Charge your first client $50. 2 clients later, you've already recovered every startup cost. Everything after that becomes profit. Point 2. Flipping everyday items. People underestimate how much valuable stuff sits in thrift stores, garage sales, and even their own closets. Imagine buying a used desk lamp for $12. Clean it, take better photos, sell it for $40. Not every flip will triple your money. Some won't sell at all. But even making $15 profit per item adds up when you repeat the process. Your first investment doesn't need to be more than $50. Point 3. Print on demand. This one surprises people. You create simple designs for t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks. A company prints and ships everything after someone buys. No inventory, no garage full of boxes. Your startup cost? Often $0. Maybe you spend $25 on simple design software or fonts. Will every design sell? Definitely not. But one good design can keep earning months after you upload it. That's why people like this model. You're building small digital assets instead of constantly trading hours for dollars. Point 4. Tutoring or coaching. You don't need to be the world's greatest expert. You just need to know more than someone who's starting. Maybe you're good at math. Maybe you speak another language. Maybe you've mastered Excel without wanting to admit it. A webcam you already own. Free video calls. Maybe $15 for a better microphone if yours sounds like you're underwater. Charge $25 an hour. 4 sessions later, you've earned $100. Point 5. Local services. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the least exciting and the most profitable. Dog walking, lawn mowing, pressure washing, window cleaning, car detailing, a bucket, basic supplies, and maybe $60 worth of equipment. Charge $40 per job. 3 customers on a Saturday can outperform weeks of searching for the perfect online business. Notice something? None of these required a huge loan. They required starting. Imagine 2 friends. Let's call them Alex and Ben. Both have exactly $80 available. Alex decides that's nowhere near enough. He watches videos about becoming rich. He compares himself to people making 6 figures. He keeps researching. Every week, he discovers another perfect opportunity. Every month, he finds another reason why now isn't the right time. 6 months pass. His bank account looks almost exactly the same. Now look at Ben. Ben isn't smarter. He isn't luckier. Honestly, he's just tired of waiting. He spends $35 on a few cleaning supplies, another $20 printing simple flyers. The rest stays in his account. His first weekend? 1 customer. He earns $40. Not life-changing. His second weekend? 3 customers. Now he's made over $120. A month later, he's bought better equipment. 3 months later, he has repeat customers. After 6 months, neither of them became millionaires. But one person now has extra monthly income. The other has a folder full of bookmarked YouTube videos titled, How I Made $10 Million Before Breakfast. Research feels productive. Action actually is. If you're serious about earning extra money, here's a simple plan. Step 1. Pick one idea. not 5. Trying everything usually means finishing nothing. Choose the side hustle that best matches the skills or tools you already have. Step 2. Set a tiny startup budget. Give yourself a hard limit, maybe $50, maybe $75. The limit forces creativity. If an idea requires thousands before earning its first dollar, it probably isn't the best place to begin. Step 3. Chase your first customer, not your first $1,000. Your first sale teaches you more than watching another 20 motivational videos. The first customer proves someone values what you're offering. That's a much bigger milestone than having the perfect logo or website. Momentum starts with one person saying, "Yes, I'll pay for that." Here's something worth remembering. A side hustle isn't supposed to change your life overnight. It's supposed to change your direction. Most people don't stay broke because they lack ideas. They stay stuck because they're waiting for the perfect time to begin. If today's video gave you one practical idea, I'd love to know which of these 5 side hustles you'd actually try first. Leave it in the comments and tell me your startup budget. I read every comment. And if you enjoy simple, practical money advice without the hype, subscribe to the Frugal Sketchbook. New videos every week helping you spend smarter, earn more, and build financial freedom one small step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next sketch.